Guys, I just got ready and I did a TikTok that I have to edit, but I went ahead and got dressed, and I do have to go run some quick errands. And let me show you my beautiful Sherpa that I just got, and let me show you what it looks like. It's so pretty and it's so cozy. And yeah, I'm wearing all black. I'm wearing all black today. You can see my daughter, she's in her camita. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Actually gonna be vlogging starting today, so I'll start the vlog today. I'll bring y'all along. I'm going to the car wash, and then I'm gonna stop in at Dutch Bros for the rainbow drink. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get my no, you know what, I'm gonna go to the car wash first because I do have to vacuum the inside of the truck, and then after the car wash I'm gonna go to Dutch Bros and get my rainbow drink, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to the nail salon. And then so this is my favorite car wash that I come to. Is the one I use, are they using it, the touchless one? I'm like so cozy with this jacket. Like my whole outfit is just so cozy today. Like I just need to go get my fingernails done because they just look like so crusty. And okay, so we are here. I'm bringing y'all along today. So I'm starting this vlog off on today's Saturday because the phone's falling. I have small little errands. I was thinking of going to Ulta again just because they like I said on my previous vlog, they are having a sale on like their skin care and just other things that I do want to try out. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip gloss after I finish. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip gloss after I finish my BCAAs. Yesterday was my, what is this? My phone's just being dumb right now. My phone's like AF tracking. AF tracking lock? What is that? My review with, I brought the Lululemon bag, and I just literally threw on my they're not pills, they're like gummies. And then I do have to do a review for this product right now, which after I'll get my nails and everything, because right now they look so crusty, but I have to do a review on that. These are the lemon matcha, and I actually want to try the other ones, the deep bloat ones, the ones like the sleep ones. They're just so many, and I'm pretty sure they're still on sale. So if you want to go ahead and try some, right now is the time since they're on sale. But let me do a review while I have you in camera. Okay, so it says adults take 2 gummies. So it does have like a smell to it, like I don't know, kind of like plasticky, like a sweet plastic smell, if that makes sense. But well, they're chewy. It says matcha B12 to support energy metabolism. So they're vegan, gluten-free, whole leaf matcha. So, okay. I mean, they're not bad, but obviously any type of pill or gummy is gonna have like that taste, you know? But yeah, the bottle's so cute. So when I saw it, I was like, you're coming home with me. So I'm gonna do the $7 car wash because the 12 one takes forever. I need to leave.
Please go forward slowly into the wash.
Okay. Let's see. Can you see? It actually beeps like if I'm gonna hit those. I'm looking at this camera right here. You see those metal rails? Okay. And then it washes it under. So I have to stay straight. Let me just show you There's everything in here. Juice cup. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and record myself. Guys, that was a workout. Sanitizer. Wow, my truck was dirty. Like, okay, my truck was dirty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and try on the Bobbi Brown. And lock my doors because there are these men walking by. So this is a Bobbi Brown crushed oil infused gloss. Let's see how it is. Okay. I didn't even smell it. I feel like it should have like some type of shine, but I guess not. Oh wow, there is a line. Why is there a line, Dutch? I am in a hurry. You can see my straw more. Hi.
What can I get you?
Can I get a large double rainbow?
The energy.
Sparkly
You
stuff on it,
can,
right?
yes.
Okay.
Would you like to add that?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else for you?
That's all.
Okay, it's gonna be $8.93.
Yes. I always want to park in the front, but I don't know if this would be my look. They couldn't get me in, and it was my fault for not calling. I always call ahead. I forgot to call in to my nail salon, and they are busy. My nail tech, she was like, "Can you come back in an hour?" I was like, no. And I really want to get my nails done. Like, look how crusty. Like, my nails are looking like they're looking rough. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go. Hopefully the other place is not crazy busy. Let's go. Okay, second location.
Okay.
Thank you. And I'm out. Now I gotta go get food because I'm hungry. Sitting there for like more than an hour.
I want to say hi to your friends.
It's gonna be $37.86 for the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a drink.
I don't have a drink.
No. I cast my light up. My body is pink.
Hey guys, I'm back home and I had to make my probiotic tea. So I'm back home. We had dinner and I had to put on my comfy outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this t-shirt and then my sweats, my comfy joggers, and then look at my cute slippers. And they're just like so cute. And of course they remind me of Valentine's. And then so this is the tea that I'm drinking for today. This is the lavender chamomile, and it is, what is it, lavender chamomile with probiotics, the brand Bigelow. And I just wanted to share with you my cute coffee mug that I did get from Marshall's. And then let me show you my nails also. So these are Pinterest inspired. Once I got home and I was just looking at them, I was like, I should have got the pinky and like another pinky color. And then looking at this looks more like a purplish, like a Barney purple instead of pink, unless it's just like me in the light. I don't know, but yeah. So next time I'm gonna get the same set again. And so I'm just waiting on my tea to cool down. But let me do a try on haul of the Lululemon jacket that I did get. I have everything like right here. Okay, so this is the outfit that I was wearing today, which is black set, which is a jacket and the pants, and this is a Define jacket Luon. And then the other set that I got was also in the navy, and these are the Wonder Train HR tights in the 28 inch. And then I like that these have their, you can't even see me. I like that these have their logo on the back of the leg, which is like right here on the bottom. So that's like something different. And this is like my second favorite color besides purple. So it's purple, navy blue, and then black. So this one. And then the other Lululemon jacket that I did try on my YouTube short. It's the same style of this jacket, but like in a shorter, like not cropped version, but just let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the Lululemon has the logo on the back, which I like. And then these are like so cozy. Like I was wearing this and then my other Sherpa jacket. Naomi, sit down, mama, please. But this is a navy blue. I'm wearing a t-shirt, so I might look a little snug. This is a navy color. So this one goes pretty much like, if you pull it, Naomi, if you pull it, it's gonna go all the way down. And then the other Lululemon jacket, it just went, it was more like this size, like cropped up. No, not cropped. I don't want to say cropped, but it was just shorter in length. But and this is the last piece of clothing that I do want to share with you. So my top favorite stores as of right now, since a couple of months ago, it's been Express, Abercrombie. I stopped shopping on Nordstrom. First piece of item is going to be the color on this. It probably looks, I mean, I think it has like an undertone of like violet, but it's more like a gray type. And this, I did get this in a size medium. Now this is like thick material. Like this will keep you cozy. Like if you're not wearing a jacket, this will keep you cozy. And it's more like a sweater type, like a sweater bodysuit. And it's just so pretty. And then I do love the square neck. And of course, their bodysuits are like just really comfortable in general. So this is my favorite one. So I got all these are all bodysuits. I did get this one in a medium also. I think I could have gotten a small because their fabric stretches out. And then so this is like a heart shaped. And then this kind of looks like if it would be like a piece of like a corset type. And this is just a pretty gray. And again, this is a thick material. Like if you forgot your jacket and you're just wearing that, like you'll be good. So this one is again another bodysuit. This one's also in a size medium. And this is actually cotton material. And I just love how it's like a square neck. Tops and like my jackets, they're from Abercrombie. But Abercrombie never fails with like the pretty comfortable bodysuits. And like I said, they were having a sale. I'm pretty sure the sale is still going on. So staples to add to your closet would be bodysuits in different colors. And I'm pretty sure my tea already cooled down. But yeah, that was all for today's video. Hold on. I put honey in my tea and it just tastes really good. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 9:38 p.m.
I'm about to wash my face and then but yeah, see you on the next one.